You adapted in one match. Same with me. I adapted in one match to each Mustang. But at the same time, I cheesed it because I pushed him away at the last second. I pushed him away from me. That was so funny. I was like, oh, I won.
Where's my jonin, dog?
Well, you didn't get jonin?
I think you have it.
Yeah, man. You didn't win.
Oh wait, he doesn't have. Oh wait,
you didn't win, bro.
Oh, I think you need more XP, Lemon. And then you can rank up. Like you don't need to eat it.
Okay, press F2 and then say check EXP. Oh no, you need grips. Oh yeah, no, it's an auto PD right now. Everyone leave.
Oh shit.
It's an auto PD.
Why you going straight for me?
Look, PD. No, it's getting wide.
Lower vent.
Lower vent? Wait, whose help is it?
Wait, bruh.
No way. Let me put a stop point in first. Let me put a stop point in. What do I want?
You put this shit up, Natty. I knew you put this shit up. I bet.
Nah, no. You're dead? Let me don't die. Oh my god, where is he? Who is it?
Orochimaru, right here.
Oh, it's this man. Nah, but I'd win though. I would win. I would not win.
Not any heals. I need heals.
I'll give you, bruh. I got you, bruh. I'll give you too.
What's up?
No, that's cool. That's cool. Nice. Yo, Kalu, get in here. Kalu, get in here.
I'm lagging.
Nah, don't lag.
Wait, what happened?
I said,
oh shit! That's so hard. That's hard.
Circle's turning out. Circle is turning out right now.
Heal me.
Oh no!
Yeah, I am.
Yo, Kalu, come here.
Let me follow him.
Kalu, come here, bruh. Do you need heals or not?
I don't need heals. Well, okay, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna pull him over here and I want you to bomb him, okay?
Bro,
I'll pull him over here and I want you to bomb him.
Okay.
Alright, just follow me. I'm gonna get him magnetized. Everyone move.
Yo, thing.
I'll have him magnetized. Now do your combo. Pop him? Yes, sir?
Come on, Matt, you gotta keep on me in the front. Yeah. Oh.
What's that person? Not that? Oh my god, I thought I hit him.
Damn.
He had too much health, bro. What is this? He's not even
Everybody get away. Oh shit, awful.
Oh my god! I need heals. Each one, no.
Come here. Kalu. Oh shit.
Oh, he's on my back. Come here. Up here. Someone get him. I'll just shot.
I got you.
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry. Oh. Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
Yes, sir. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Oh, what's that?
Get up.
No. What about Isma, bro? Isma, use gates. Use gates.
Kalu, come here.
I can't heal you though.
As well.
Just stay in the air. Just keep flying in the air. Don't die. Just need your heals.
Okay. To me,
oh my god.
To me?
He's so strong for no reason. He's so strong. Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Nice.
Too strong.
Combo? Oh, talking to me. Oh, his health is going down. Oh no! Yes, sir! I'm gonna scorch earth. I'll scorch earth.
Get it low!
Oh, yes, sir, Tokyo!
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir, Tokyo!
Oh shit!
That's what I have to see. Okay, I got y'all.
Yeah, look.
Oh my! Get away! Get away! Get away!
Everyone, get away! Everyone, get away! He's gonna bomb! He's gonna bomb! He's gonna bomb! He's gonna bomb!
Yo, I disconnected, I think.
You disconnected?
I think so.
No, you're still in the game. You're still in the game. You're still in the game.
Ah, but I'm just can't move.
Oh yeah, get him, Isama.
Oh. No, Lemon's gone. I'm not low on chakra. I'm not low on. Invite Lemon back. And also, if he lost to rank, give him his rank back. I'm gonna start him tomorrow. I'm not gonna start nothing. He's got state.
Yeah, okay. I can take it. I can take it.
Got
it. Oh yeah, get him.
Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. Oh, that's not what I like to see. I lied. We need Lemon back, bro. We need Lemon back. No. Oh, Nat. Oh, I mean, Lemon, tell me when you come back. I'll tell Nat that you're back so you can talk about you here.
Heals, low-key.
Come on, guys, I can distract him. Yo, no, come on.
Alright.
What if I got?
Everyone move. Gosh. You're not teleport me to you. I'm stuck inside the arm. Thank you. I'm coming.
Good hit. Oh yeah, good shit. Good door. Oh yeah!
That's a
Cooking him.
It's a clue.
You do my combo.
Yeah, you got it, Nancy.
Oh yeah, let that his combo. Okay. Let him get up.
Yes, sir.
Yo, Nat, can I not join anymore? Because I disconnected.
Oh yeah,
I need it. I got one more. It's the jonin.
He needs one more.
I need one more. It's the jonin.
Why's who gonna die? Why's who gonna die?
What the hell?
Why's who gonna die? Nat, invite Lemon back into the server. Oh, we need one more too? Oh. I mean, don't worry, we can grip someone else.
That was bro. Oh my, when I was putting hands on him, bro. Oh my god.
Hey, I took that whole fight.
Like my couple, and this man came up with Joy, and then each one to his, was it Token or Itama? He did primary loadage.
Bro, I was actually on the line there, bro.
It was you?
If you have in here, or would it be GG?
You carried.
Yeah, look.
Oh, you guys are good.
Bro, I need to knock out my slug sage though. Then I have like, bro, so much top food, bro.